Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on many different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Algorand and picking up where we left off in the previous Algorand video. Now, this video is going to be completely different, though, from the last Algorand video. That is just due to the fact that the whole drama that's gone on with FTX has sent the price of Algorand down to a new 52-week low. And in the previous Algorand video, I was talking about how Algorand was attempting to break through this trend line here and break through the price of 45 cents. And if it was able to do that, we probably would have seen a pretty nice price pump. You can see that there was a lot that was keeping Algorand down at that price, a lot of resistance, and that could have been a big threshold for Algorand to break above. So now what we have going on is we have seen this drop from this bottom trend line here, because this is where we were consolidating in. So you can see that there was an extra longer candlestick that had sent the price of Algorand down at that time. So what we're within now is seeing the price correct at this moment. And the thing here is we need to really look at the first Fibonacci retracement, because that's always important to do, especially with trying to figure out the next price movements. So we can look at this right now. And we can look at these wave counts here. So let's go ahead and count our waves. And this is where things can sometimes get tricky, because you have to kind of, just take the best guess of where things could be complete. So we have a wave one here, and you can see that it has dropped down to around a little bit below our 382 Fibonacci level. Then we went up within our wave two. And then we went down in a wave three, of course, and that's taking us closer to our 786 Fibonacci level. But that's not a very attractive wave three, because the wave three is going to be a much larger wave than waves 1 and 5 usually. So knowing that, there is enough here to say that this could be a wave three, but it's just not an attractive wave three. And what would make it a lot more attractive if we were to say that this actually was the wave three here at the 52-week low, and that would make a lot more sense to be a longer extended wave three. And from there, then what we will see is that for this wave four, as the price did not go above where our wave one is within this price move, then it's easy to say that this could just be a wave four here. And since we're already seeing the price come down again, that's that possibility that, yeah, this is a wave five, especially as it's kind of hung up there on that trend line, and it could easily just fall below that trend line, and we know that would send the price down even more. So where would this wave five go? The easiest thing is always look at our wave one in this case, and look at the distance here within this. So we can see that our wave one had completed at a price of around 36.5 cents, and it had started at a price that was at around 45 cents. So about 9 cents. The wave five in this case, how it's starting out at a price that's around close to 33 cents. Then what we'll assume is that it could be somewhere around the range of the length of the wave one. And so as far as coming down from that price, then what we'll say is that it could possibly go to somewhere close to the price of 23 cents. 22 cents is a possibility, and it's really all about how is it going to look on the Fibonacci levels here. So I'm going to go ahead and drop it closer to 22 cents, because I think that would make a lot more sense there, and it would look a lot more attractive. So let's just take the Fibonacci retracement now tool here, and let's just drag what we have already here, and just set this on our wave, on our wave three itself, and just look at the distance from that wave, from the start of the wave three on into where the wave five is, and it would be close within this bottom Fibonacci level. So it would be a move down that would be around 24% more of a drop from where the wave three is, and that would make a lot of sense for that to be how this could be playing out. And so that's what I'm going to stick with. Is I think that we're possibly going to be seeing Algorand come down to around the price of 22 cents, with one more move to the downside that we're currently possibly within right now, and that could easily be how things will be playing out, in my opinion. So at some point, I'm thinking that we're probably going to be losing this support here that we're holding on within this trend line, and Algorand's going to come down very similar to like what we had seen within the wave three after it had dropped below that trend line, and that's kind of the reality right here. So after we are to complete that, then I would say that the bottom could possibly be in at that time, because the psychology there, the Elliot Wave theory with that would say, yeah, we've completed this pattern, and then now there can be a move to the upside. But at any moment, the whole drama with FTX could just change things, and we could be seeing the price drop. All this is just my own personal opinion. This is my own technical analysis here. This is just me talking to you guys for entertainment purposes. Do not consider any of this any sort of financial advice. Do not take it as 100% that the price is going to 22 cents. It could go to 20 cents. We don't know where it's going to go. But I'm just looking at the psychology here with the Elliott Wave theory and doing a technical analysis on my opinion on where things are going. So do take that into consideration. So with that being said, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions about where do you think the price of Algo could go. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day and many other altcoins as well. Thank you for watching and listening.